So you are given an integer called x, and you need to determine if it is a palindrome. A palindrome is a number that reads the same forward and backwards. So 1 to 1, it's the same 1 to 1 because when you read it backward and forwards, it will be the same thing. So it's a pretty easy problem. I would say easy problem to understand, and also it's not that hard to solve. If basically x is negative, it is not a palindrome. This is an important thing to think about, as the negative sign is will make it different when you read it backwards. And the goal is to determine if the number remained the same when its digits are reserved. The approach of this one, there is multiple ways to solve this problem, but to solve the problem without converting the integer to a string, because a follow-up here, just could you solve it without converting the integer to a string? So one of the things, like, we can reverse the integer numerically and compare it to the original value. This is we can do it like that. Like, first we check if the number is negative. If it's negative, we return it. It's a pretty okay. Let's just start with the coding and enough talking, because when we talk it will be quite interesting. So first we said that negative numbers will not be an integer, but will not be a palindrome. So if x less than 0, we return false. Okay, if that was the case. After that, we need to reverse the integer, like while x less than 0. What we will do, const digit will equals x moduled by 10. Basically, we need to get the last digit, and this is how we get it. And after that, we reverse it. So reversed will equals wait a minute. I guess there are two variables that we need to put. Reversed, which will equals 0, and also I need to have the original original, which will equals x, because we might change in the number. So reverse will equal the reversed multiplied by 10 plus that digit. Okay, I you might not understand what's going on here, but just be aware with me. First, we get the last digit. After that, we append the digit to the reverse number. And in the end, we need to remove the last digit from x. X will equals math dot floor x divided by 10. We can do it like that. And after that, we can just return if reversed is the same as the original. It's a pretty interesting way to solve the problem. Okay, let's try to discuss everything happened here. So to solve this problem, as we said, that we can do it by reversing the number by itself. So first we check if the number is negative. If it's basically negative, we return false, because negative numbers cannot be palindromes. After that, we need to reverse the number. So while we use a while loop to reverse the digits x. So in each iteration of the loop, we extract the last digit. Okay, this is the first thing. And after that, of the last digit of x, and after using x moduled by 10, and append it to the reversed variable. After appending it, we remove the last digit from x using math.floor. After reversing the number, we compare the reversed value to the original value. If they are the same, we return true. Otherwise, we return false. Okay, let's just make an example walking through to make the life way more easier for you guys. But let me submit the code to see if it's working or not. Okay, it's wrong answer. It's not working. There is something wrong I did here. If x less than 0, we return false. And Let me think why. If x less than 0 we return false. Let reverse, let original equals x, while x bigger than 0. Oh, sorry. Okay, this works. Okay, let's take an example, walking through example so you understand what's going on. So let's assume that we have x equals 1 to 1, for example. Okay, so it's a palindrome. So let's walk through it. So first we have the original value. So original will equals x, which will be 1 to 1, and no changes. Reversed will be 0, will equal 0. So first we extract the last digit from x, and basically we put it in reverse. So it will be here 1, and we remove it from x, so it will be 12. It equals like that, and we continue doing that another iteration in the while loop. We take 2 and we take the last digit, which is 2, and we put it here, and yeah, we remove it from the x, and we continue it until it will be 1. And when x is not bigger than 0, sorry, when x is not bigger than 0 anymore, we will try to end this. We end this loop, and after that we check if they are equal to each other or not. We can do this with 10 as well, because if let's give it a non-palindrome number. So let's say x equals 10, so the original equals 10 and reverse will equals 0, for example. And we start in the first iteration. The last digit is 0. So we remove 0 and we keep 0 here. After that, we remove the last digit, which will be 1. So we do it like that, 1, and the reverse, it will be added at the end, so it will be equal 0, 1, which is basically 1. And we will have the original is 10 and the reverse is 1, so it's not the same. It's not a palindrome number, so this is why it doesn't work. So yeah, that's it for this problem. I hope you like my content. I hope you like my solution. If you like my solution, please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss any video, and see you in future problems.